Hey, it's Chris with Full Scope Creative. I want to show you how to set up a parallax image on a website. A parallax image is a great way to add a different design element, a different way to show a background image to add a little more depth and personality to a site. If we look at this site here, it's one of our template sites, Anna's Little Bakery. As you scroll through this image with the cake pops and the cupcakes, as you scroll down, the image just goes up with the rest of the content. With a parallax image, we would see that image roll a little bit differently. So if we take a look here in Elementor, if we come here and click on this edit section, there's our background image like we've seen before. We have other videos showing how to do those. Here's our main settings. Again, with position, we can change where this is going to line up, center, center, center left, center right, on and on. What we want to focus on is this attachment. It's going to go default. What we want to do is change this to fixed. Once we do, it's going to change some of that layout a little bit. We can work with some of these other options here for contain. Try to get a different feel for it if you want to. You can go to default, get a different view. Whichever one looks best for what we want. You can stick with cover. I like that look the best, that feel. But when we scroll now, that image stays the same. We'll see a little bit more of the top of it. If this was lower on the page, we might see more of the bottom as we scroll differently, but works really great to, again, just add a whole nother line or element of design to this as we scroll. So if we take a look and update this now, come back to the live site and hit refresh. Again, it changed a little bit, but as we scroll, we start to see new pieces of, or new elements, quadrants, if you will, of that image. Adds a really great element of depth and user experience to this site. Not something you want to use on every background image, but one or two throughout the site is a great way to add that extra layer of design and user experience to your site. If you have any questions about doing this, want any help with it, reach out to us at info@fullscopecreative.com. We'll be happy to help out.